Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome to Motovlog Rani. Today we are heading towards the Java showroom to know about the Jawa Perak. So there are videos which I have did the reviews on the Interceptor 650 and Meteor 350, which was recently launched. So you can check it out in the iCard which is coming above. So here we have Perak today. Okay, let's go for a test ride. The bike seems to be smaller for me because I ride Benelli ride. So let's go for a short spin and check it out what the bike is all about. Okay, the pool is good. The bike is very comfortable to ride. Yeah, the mirrors, they have kept it here. I don't know whether it can be, I think it can be adjusted. Yes. So today we are with the Perak, and this is where I am riding the Perak. So what are there in the digital cluster? I can see the odo alone, okay, and the fuel indicator and engine check symbol to know if engine is malfunctioning. The brakes are pretty good, pretty decent. Let's check again. I think the sweet spot is somewhere near 110 for this bike. It goes very smoothly till 110, and top speed I may not be able to check it now. So let me ask about the showroom itself, and very easy to maneuver. Let me take a U-turn. The turning radius is bit lengthier. Bike is a bit lengthier, so the turning radius is.
Okay, bike ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಪೆರಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಪೆರಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು 350 cc ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇದು. ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ನೇ ಬರೋದು, ಡ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಮೋನೋಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
So he says the bike is 350cc and which is very comfortable. It has a single seat as in the stock and 2 exhaust and 1 mono shock. It comes with 30 bhp, okay, and 31 Nm of torque, and it's completely liquid cooled engine, and the tank capacity comes with 14 liters. And 14 liter tank capacity. Yes. So what is the mileage of this bike? Mileage around city it will get around 30, okay. The highway is around 33 to 34. 30. That has customer says. Yes. Okay. And it comes with 6-speed gearbox. So what is the top speed of this? So customer review is around 140. 140 is the top speed. So this is all the complete stock bike. I think there are the additional accessories that you have added. That is a saddlebag. Okay. What is the cost of this saddlebag? 4,999. 4,999 for 2 saddlebags. Pure leather. And what else that we can add in? So you can add LED lights. Okay. So LED lights that you have already with you. So if you want to replace it, what it costs for us? 3,500. 3,500. Okay. So any daytime running light on this bike?
Only this.
So it will be always on. Okay.
When you start the vehicle, the whole light will on.
Okay. And then this is also comes under accessories, right? This is a frame slider. This is so. What is this cost?
This costs around 4,300.
Both this one and this.
Yes.
4,300.
Bar and mirrors also.
Bar and mirrors. That comes with the bike itself.
Comes completely.
So this is a dual channel ABS.
Dual channel ABS. And one attractive thing is the tail lamp which comes under the seat.
Then what is the engine oil capacity?
1.5 years.
1.5 liters. Okay, 1.5 liter. It is semi-synthetic or fully synthetic? Pure synthetic. From which brand actually? Okay. So what about the brake pads? What is that cost? 350 for rear and front.
300.
300 for the front. What about the chain sprocket? 4,500 chain sprocket.
Change pocket kit.
It is a link chain or it is a complete one chain?
4-inch.
4-inch chain. Okay.
First service comes around 1,000 kilometers for 1 month.
1,000 kilometers. Okay.
Second service 6,000 kilometers, 6 months.
Okay.
Then 12,000 kilometers.
So every 6,000
Every
is
6,000 service.
So what is the cost of first service? What do you have for
1,800.
1,800? That is for except free service, right? How many free service that is?
4 free service.
4 free service. And after free service, how much that I will?
Plus 800.
Plus 800 is the labor cost. Okay, around 2,600 rupees. So what is the ground clearance of this?
145 mm.
145 rupees. So would you recommend this Jawa bike, Perak, than an Royal Enfield? What do you feel that this is good than that?
So performance. One is Royal Enfield comes with 19.5 bhp.
Okay.
And this is a 30 bhp vehicle. And it comes with a 350cc only. Royal Enfield also 350. And we don't have vibration. The main thing of Royal Enfield is a vibration.
Minimal vibrations of this bike. Okay. We don't have a vibration. Okay, there is a rumor that I have heard of this bike. Okay. That this bike shares the engine from the Mojo. What you have already. So is it true or is it different?
It's different.
It is
completely different.
Because most of them are stating that it is just a Mojo engine.
No,
They have
what is this? The Mahindra is tied with the Java, so that they are spreading the rumor called the engine of Mojo. But it's completely different. It's designed by Java.
Okay. So you have a tube tire or tubeless tire?
It's a tube tire.
Tube tire. 140, 70, 70. The tube tire from Shree. So what is the price of this Jawa Perak?
So it's 255.
2,55,000 on road Mysore. Okay.
Including saddlebags, it's 260.
Including saddlebags, it is 260. What you will give it as a free with this bike?
Bar mirrors will not come with the edges. You
Okay.
get a bar and
Mirrors that you are going to get. So this will be normal mirrors will be in the stock. Okay, that is free for us. What is your showroom timings and when people if they want to visit when can they visit?
so from morning 9:30 to evening 7 p.m.
So yeah, this is all about the Perak here today. So thank you, Mr. Tej Ponache. Prakash. So Prakash will be here. Will be working in the service. So it will be helpful. So, if you want to know about this bike, you can always visit this showroom. What is the name of the showroom?
Shree Jain Mobikes.
Shree Jain Mobikes.
Have I tested before buying?
Okay.
Hello, myself Sindhu. I'm from Shree Jain Mobikes. Please visit our showroom for test drives and bookings.